everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, Diwali and festive season is here, and for that today I have partnered with Kushal'S fashion jewelry to create some stunning ethnic and modern looks for you guys. I've also styled their gorgeous jewelry in 4 different ways to give you the idea of how you can also look classy and stylish this Diwali. So let's begin. Okay guys, firstly let's talk about the stunning Zircon necklace. I just love the way it reflects the light. It just sparks in the light so beautifully, and also it's a perfect blend of modern and classy at the same time. So मैंने stunning सी ज्वेलरी को ना ये गाउन के साथ स्टाइल किया है, जिसके ऊपर बहुत ही प्रिटी सा जर्कॉन वर्क हुआ है, जो कि ज्वेलरी के साथ बहुत ही अच्छे से कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा है. Also guys, you can see the earrings are so stunning, so pretty. You can just style them on its own. ये बहुत ही beautifully crafted हुए हैं, and this set is definitely a statement piece. Even though ये look बहुत ही ज़्यादा gorgeous लग रहा है, but उसको और ज़्यादा pretty और stunning बनाने के लिए ना मैंने ये zircon bracelet and zircon ring भी पहनी है साथ में, जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारी है. I just love the intricacy that this design has. इसका bracelet भी बहुत stunning है, ring भी बहुत stunning है, and of course the entire set is so pretty. And definitely the highlight of this set has to be the beautiful hues of pink, which is actually matching my outfit perfectly. And this necklace is so rich, so classy. It is perfect for that modern Diwali party look. So next we have this very pretty Kundan necklace. I mean guys, oh my god, this is simply stunning. ये बहुत ज़्यादा heavy भी नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा light भी नहीं है. It's just perfect for Diwali puja. And the Kundan in the necklace is so rich and high in quality. It reflects the light so beautifully. एंड मैंने इस सेट को ना मरून सूट के साथ पेयर किया है, विच इज़ एक्चुअली कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग द रूबीज इन द नेकलेस सो वेल. दिस इज अ परफेक्ट ब्लेंड ऑफ क्लास एंड एलिगेंस. एंड गाइज ट्रस्ट मी, दीज इयररिंग्स हैज माई हार्ट. आई मीन दीज टाइनी स्टड्स आर सो क्यूट एंड एलिगेंट. Truly guys, ये studs इतने ज़्यादा प्यारे हैं ना, they are purely a piece of art. And also the pearl in the necklace is adding that perfect touch of class. This set is so minimal yet so impactful. You can actually carry it in so many different ways. ऑल्सो इस लुक को कंप्लीट करने के लिए मैंने इसको पेयर किया है विद कुंदन एंड पर्ल ब्रेसलेट विद जर्कॉन रिंग. गुड थिंग इज दैट बोथ ऑफ दीज थिंग्स आर एडजस्टेबल, तो ये किसी भी रिस्ट में और फिंगर में एडजस्ट हो जाएगा. ओवरऑल आई जस्ट लव हाउ मिनिमल बट इम्पैक्टफुल दिस लुक हैज टर्न्ड आउट. Now guys, कई बार ऐसा होता है ना that you are in office, you are working and you suddenly realize कि आपको तो दिवाली पार्टी अटेंड करनी थी, बट यार घर जाके कपड़े चेंज करने का टाइम तो किसी के पास है नहीं. So just untie your hair, roll up your sleeves and just take this stunning zircon necklace and it will just amp up your boring office shirt into a stunning party attire. The black polish in the piece makes it so edgy, so classy. It's just perfect for the Diwali party. This look is so stunning and classy. It's very edgy at the same time. It's a perfect fusion wear with a touch of royal delicacy. Also, it comes with these small earrings which makes this look even more trendy, classy and also edgy. And just like that, with a simple step, you are all ready for Diwali party. This look is just perfect for on the go girls. It gives an amazing boss lady vibe, and also this is one of my favorite look. Now if we talk about a perfect traditional look, this Kundan set with a touch of ruby and emerald stones, which is making it even more stunning. Can we just take a moment and appreciate the intricacy of this piece? So मैंने इस लुक को स्टाइल किया है with a traditional बनारसी साड़ी, which actually gives the perfect newly married Indian look, of course, which never goes out of style. This set is so graceful and loaded with detailed work. This is definitely a must-have royal set. Also guys, the earrings that comes along with it, they are so unique, so intricate. I just love the craftsmanship. Also, can you check out the Mang Tika? It's so pretty and so graceful. I've also paired this Kundan Bangle with it, which is again has a pop of ruby, which is adding such a perfect touch of elegance and grace to it. I just love how Kundan is so sparkly and reflecting the light, and the ruby and the emerald color is so graceful. This piece is engraved with detail work. So guys, these are all the 4 looks जो कि मैंने क्रिएट किए थे फॉर यू गाइज दिस दिवाली. अगर आपको लुक अच्छा लगा तो मुझे कमेंट करके बताना. आपका जो भी फेवरेट पीस है मुझे वो भी ज़रूर बताना, आपको इनमें से कौन सा अच्छा लगा. ऑफ कोर्स इफ यू वांट टू बाय दीज प्रोडक्ट्स, लिंक्स आर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो, सो मेक श्योर टू चेक दैट आउट एंड डू चेक आउट Kushal's jewelry. They are just amazing. Quality is very nice. Trust me when I say this, quality of their products are very, very nice. You are not gonna regret it. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.